The Namibian Constitution, narrated by Apple Light. Chapter 5, The President, Part 2. Article 29, Term of Office. 1a. The President's term of office shall be 5 years, unless he or she dies or resigns before the expiry of the said term, or is removed from office. b. In the event of the dissolution of the National Assembly in the circumstances provided for under Article 57(1) hereof, the President's term of office shall also expire. 2. A President shall be removed from office if a 2/3 majority of all the members of the National Assembly, confirmed by a 2/3 majority of all the members of the National Council, adopts a resolution impeaching the President on the ground that he or she has been guilty of a violation of the Constitution, or guilty of a serious violation of the laws of the land, or otherwise guilty of such gross misconduct or ineptitude as to render him or her unfit to hold with dignity and honor the office of President. 3. A person shall hold office as President for not more than 2 terms. 4. If a President dies, resigns, or is removed from office in terms of this Constitution, the vacant office of President shall be filled for the unexpired period thereof as follows. A. If the vacancy occurs not more than 1 year before the date on which presidential elections are required to be held, the vacancy shall be filled in accordance with the provisions of Article 34 hereof. 5. If the President dissolves the National Assembly under Articles 32, 3a, and 57(1) hereof, a new election for President shall be held in accordance with the provisions of Article 28 hereof within 90 days, and pending such election, the President shall remain in office, and the provisions of Article 58 hereof shall be applicable. 6. If a person becomes President under Subarticle 4 hereof, the period of time during which he or she holds office consequent upon such election or succession shall not be regarded as a term for the purposes of Subarticle 3 hereof. Article 30. Oath or Affirmation. Before formally assuming office, a President-elect shall make the following oath or affirmation, which shall be administered by the Chief Justice, the Deputy Chief Justice, or a judge designated by the Chief Justice for this purpose. Quote, I, do hereby swear/solemnly affirm that I will strive to the best of my ability to uphold, protect, and defend as the supreme law the Constitution of the Republic of Namibia, and faithfully to obey, execute, and administer the laws of the Republic of Namibia. That I will protect the independence, sovereignty, territorial integrity, and the material and spiritual resources of the Republic of Namibia, and that I will endeavor to the best of my ability to ensure justice for all the inhabitants of the Republic of Namibia. Open bracket. In the case of an oath, close bracket, so help me God. Close quote. Open bracket. Article 30 is amended by the Namibian Constitution, 3rd Amendment, Act 8 of 2014. Close bracket. Article 31. Immunity from civil and criminal proceedings. 1. No person holding the office of President or performing the functions of President may be sued in any civil proceedings save where such proceedings concern an act done in his or her official capacity as President. 2. No person holding the office of President shall be charged with any criminal offense or be amenable to the crime jurisdiction of any court in respect of any act allegedly performed, or any omission to perform any act during his or her tenure of office as President. 3. After a President has vacated that office, a. No court may entertain any action against him or her in any civil proceedings in respect of any act done in his or her official capacity as President. B. A civil or criminal law shall only have jurisdiction to entertain proceedings against him or her in respect of acts of commission or omission alleged to have been perpetrated in his or her personal capacity while holding office as President, if Parliament by resolution has removed the President on the grounds specified in this Constitution, and if a resolution is adopted by Parliament resolving that any such proceedings are justified in the public interest, notwithstanding any damage such proceedings might cause to the dignity of the office of President. That is all for today's video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe if you find this video and other videos like it informative and useful, and I'll be sure to see you in part 3.